Holy smokes, did we have a red day in the market today, especially for NAT, down 4%, actually under $3. If we look at the 6 months chart, this stock has been down 53% 6 months. I'm down about around 40% on my position. Of course, NAT bag hold over here. I'm holding for the long term. And I mean, although we have no news from NAT on their page here, we do have some positive change in the spot rate trend. So as we can see on Tuesday, the spot rate was actually negative 400 for Suezmax vessels. Of course, NAT owns 23 Suezmax vessels. They're actually going to be adding 2 fleets come in about 2 years' time. But here we can actually see that spot rates for Suezmax was 4,600, and we can see on this 10-day trend here, we can see an upward spike. So finally some positive news. And what is the reason for this? Well, oil plunges as virus cases surge, and US crude stockpile and output soars. Okay, so pretty much that's the key takeaway there. So oil prices fall because of the RONI cases. They're surging to all-time highs, as we can actually see here, right? RONI cases, like, look, this is nearing its all-time high, right? And this has been part of the reason why in the market, look at this, just completely red day, right? And that's why I say always have around 10 to 30% of cash on hand so you can invest in the market. I'm looking very closely at Wynn Resorts right now. Looks like it's losing by quite a bit right now. This is a stock that's like over $150 that has been absolutely destroyed. Something like a Kirkland, something like a Nordstrom. I'm just saying, look out for those stocks. Dow Jones down 3% today, right? So even when we look at worldwide, cases are pretty much at all-time highs right now, right? So a lot of uncertainty on the market. So of course, there's going to be new restrictions imposed, and oil prices fell. And this article was written yesterday. Oil prices fell more than 5% on Wednesday, sending Brent to a 4-month low as surging infections in the US and Europe prompted renewed lockdowns and fed expectations for new declines in fuel demand. Right? Also pressuring prices, US crude stockpiles rose more than expected last week as production surged in a record build, according to the US Energy Information Industry. Okay. So again, of course, as I've explained many times on this channel, as soon as inventories rise, you can pretty much bet that this is going to send the rates for all of these tankers up like crazy. You know what I mean? So we'll see what happens as this trend moves on. But again, this is finally some positive news for NAT. We can see that they're up after hours by 1%. I mean, this is probably not related at all to the spot rates. But again, these spot rates definitely do fluctuate. I just thought I'd inform you of the news on NAT so far, midweek little report. But yeah, I'm going to keep it short and sweet. That's pretty much all I have. Again, if you have any news on NAT or any other stocks I talk about, please feel free to comment down below. And yeah, thank you for watching. If you did like this video, please be sure to give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, have a fantastic day, guys.